Labada di mga suki. Eh, I'm back again.
You grab the white clothes?
Huh?
You grab the white clothes?
Oo, sige.
And I'll grab the dark clothes.
Okay. At sabon?
I have the sabon.
Nga nira, magtubangay raglaba kay hingil is good. Sige, suroy. Laba mo na kami. Day off namin karon. So, day off namin today. Today is the washing day. Tanan?
You don't hear it?
All?
I didn't know you were doing that. I'm sorry. You need to do anything else over here?
Yan, yan na sa loob yan. Di yan masira pa na eh. Okay lang yan. Sus, ginuhok ko. Buak, dalawa.
Alright, so these are regulars.
Uy, dagdagan mo. More pa. Kaya para, I don't want to bring that to the, ano. Okay. Yan. Ito ang decolor. Nilain ang puti sa decolor para dili sila magbuglo. Ito naman mga kotse. Bana kong labandero. Ayusin mo ha. Ayusin mo pagkusot. Huwag mong ihalo ang puti sa decolor. Yan na. So, it takes
38 minutes.
38 minutes plus dryer 1 hour. So, parang meron naman kami masuot. Wala naman kami bahag. Oo, ang sabon. Dadin mo.
Yeah.
Dadin mo ang sabunin. Go back to room.
All right, time for me to check on the laundry. Should be just about done. Hi. All right, yeah, it is done. Cool. So, let's see what we got. Don't put it in this one. It rattles really bad.
Oh, it does?
Put everything in this one.
Okay, got you. Thank you.
So, everything's dry. Just folding it up. It's really nice to have a washer and a dryer because all your stuff gets done at the same time. You're not worrying about, oh, is this going to be wet, or is this going to be damp, or is that going to be damp? You just pull it out, check to see if it's damp. If it's not damp, you throw it, or if it is damp, you throw it back in for a few minutes. If it's not, you fold it up and go. No static because I use static sheets. We were supposed to have a day off today, but somebody decided that she wants to do a last minute thing. So I guess we're going out to try to find some sort of little village around here and see what she can find. I don't know what she's gonna find, but that's what she wants to do, so that's what we're gonna do. Ready to relax a little bit. Unfortunately, we're not really going home. We're staying in Cebu for about another 2 weeks. We have to make sure that our condominium that we bought there, which is ready for turnover, yeah, all the stuff is taken care of and we're ready to move in. All we're doing is we're going to set it up, get it rented out. Hopefully, it doesn't take too long. I have classes starting up on I think it's the 12th, and I really would like to be back in the comfort of my own home when that happens, so I'm not struggling to try to find stuff. Not sure how much Lenora has showed you where we're at and what we're doing. I still have one thing left to get, which I had forgotten about until just now when I was talking about school. I need to go find some paper binders, or not binders, spiral notebooks. And get ready for my next class. I have physics coming up, and I have some writing classes. Hopefully they're not too stupid. Physics should be okay. I'm really good with stuff like that. The writing class, not so much. Long as it's not a creative writing class, I should be fine. I don't do good with creative writing. But if it's general, making sure there's punctuation and stuff like that, then I should be fine. We'll see. But it brings me one step closer to another degree. And before everybody asks, why am I doing laundry? Well, in my house, we share the duties. Lenora is not the only one that cooks and cleans. I cook, I clean, I do everything that she does. We share it equally. I don't subscribe to that. Oh, it's the woman's place. No, it's not. It's everybody's place. That's what's called being a supportive spouse. If your spouse is not feeling good, you take care of your spouse. If your spouse feels tired, you find out what you can do for her or him to make them feel better. And if doing laundry or doing some cleaning around the house is what they need you to do to make them feel better, well then guess what? That's what you need to do. Marriage is supposed to be a partnership. Now, don't get me wrong. I may not be folding these the way my wife wants me to fold them. I don't know. I don't know how she wants me to fold them. I've been a bachelor for most of my life. I've only been married for the last 7 years almost. And so I have a way of folding my clothes. She has a way of folding her clothes. We'll figure it out when we get there.
Ayan, tapos na siya naglaba. Tapos na ang labada. Labadami, labango. Labanayad. Ay, wala palang bayad. Ayan, kaya wala na kaming maisuot.
Don't know if that's the way you wanted it folded. I don't care.
Harang ayusin mamaya.
I don't care, huh?
I will fold it again later.
Yeah, I know you're gonna fold it again later. That's why I just wanted to get it folded so it wasn't in a big clump of junk and get it back over here. 2 pairs of the socks are slightly damp on the outside. I don't know why. They're socks. They always do that.
So, yun, naglaba kami. Diretso tupi na. Diretso suol.
Everything else is fine.
Ni kay hugaw. Hugawan si kami.
Oh, I wanted to stop freaking Mount Everest.
Uy, ayaw, iba to. Dude.
But put it right here.
Ayaw, lagi kay kuha na sugar diha.
That wasn't sugar.
Na, basta ayaw.
It was creamer. And I don't know why you
Ako ra.
put creamer on there.